Hello everyone. Normally I would use rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries on my devices, but I decided to still buy alkaline batteries because some of my devices just run better on alkaline batteries instead of rechargeable batteries. For example, this oximeter would display 2 bars instead of 3 if I put rechargeable batteries there, even if those rechargeable batteries have just been fully charged. But if I put alkaline batteries on this oximeter, the device would display a full 3 bars of power for quite a long time. And of course, I just have to check the device every now and then to ensure that the alkaline batteries do not leak. So there is always a place for disposable batteries like alkaline batteries and zinc carbon batteries on some devices that just run better on these kinds of batteries. These Toshiba alkaline batteries are made in China. The expiry date is given as best before April 2030, so that's a good length of shelf life. It appears to be well made. Based on the quality alone of the printing, I would say that these are genuine products. Now let's test the power of the batteries using the Sanyo AP33 battery tester. This function here, the 1.5 volt battery tester, will introduce a low impedance load to the battery, so we would know if this battery has good power or it's already weak. Using these indicators, health indicators here, good or bad. So the indicator shows that this battery is good. The other one is also good. That is 1.6 volts DC. The other one also reads 1.6 volts DC. So both of these batteries are in good health, in good state. Since this came from the same batch as all the others, I would conclude that the rest of these batteries are also in good state. So these are legit, genuine Toshiba batteries that will expire in April of 2030. That's 9 years from now, and that's a long time, and that's very good. And I would definitely recommend this brand of batteries. If you're looking for alkaline batteries, just make sure that when you place this, when you use this in your devices, check your devices every once in a while in case these batteries would leak, in order to avoid potentially ruining your device. My oximeter is functioning normally as it should, using the Toshiba batteries that I've just installed in it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.